today's going to be maybe a little bit easier than the previous ones. I'm going to throw some new tires on the back. I'm going to be getting a tachometer, getting me a new cluster. Got a steel on it too. It was like $60, which is about as much as you'd spend trying to buy one of those little ones, and you got to wire it in. That just problem solved. And then I'm going to deal with setting up my inner and outer tie rods a bit so the wheels aren't all both cocked out. And then I think that's going to be about it. Maybe take the AC pump off. That's about all for today. Wow, is this thing just barely. Alright, so what you're going to notice right now is that both of the wheels are popped out, and we're going to try get back there and adjust them, adjust the tie rods to get them a little bit more straight, and we'll see how much angle it really makes. Ooh, we find 14, we find 19, and we find 14. Hell yeah, alright. Got the goods.
I need a new glove.
What the fuck you doing? This guy goes through gloves like I go through LaCroix. Speaking of the best. Right here.
Thanks. Hey, this rear brake deal might be even easier than we thought.
Oh, cool. I'm prepared for good news, Kyle. You are moving it the right way. Woohoo! That is awesome. Oh, too far. Oh, is it loose or a little bit more? You're going the wrong way.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, is that on purpose?
It's about all you get right there.
Really?
Yep.
Why is that?
Because here's what happens if I go the other way.
Oh. How much? That's the only. Wow. Had a feeling. Well.
Probably about that.
Woohoo! Victorious again. Don't you love it when the alignment techs just give it the sauce?
Oh yeah.
Look at this. I had so much angle. Scraped that on the wheel. What the fuck? Alright, so let's see if we get luckier with this side. Ooh. Look at it move. Yeah. Actually, it's also a full droop too, Kyle.
Yeah, which actually makes it better.
Right.
I mean, like there was more angle when it was compressed.
Yeah. It's almost straight. Redneck alignment here. Holy shit.
Dead nuts.
I mean, we're talking like, holy shit, that's awesome. Okay, just so we're clear.
Yep.
57.
Yep.
And then that little fucking line.
It's a 1/16 of an inch towed out.
Which, to be honest,
It's close enough to drive it. So
well, the question is, do we have enough meat on this side to push it that way just a little bit?
we
So
do,
there's
but-
some more threads. So I
But I'd say we're good as far as threads go, I believe. So this will get you to the alignment shop.
For sure. Alright. Just to be clear, took the measuring tape, took this little hook, both sides on this particular block, and measured on the back side, and then measured on the front side, and we're only a 1/16 of an inch towed out. Versus, we didn't do when we started, because, yeah, thoughts and stuff. So, welcome to Saturdays! We do it backwards for fun. Well, let's see how much angle it has now. Torque your shit. Torque it. What are we doing today?
Changing out the cluster.
Is this going to be a cluster win or a cluster fuck?
Probably gonna be a cluster fuck, but
Damn it!
hopefully it'll be a cluster
I want it to be
win.
a cluster win.
Because right now,
We ain't got no tack. We ain't got no fucking tack. You know how much I need a tack? I need to see that thing go bang, 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 because it makes me smile, okay? Okay.
I don't want to know your name. All I want is bang, bang, bang.
The camera gives you tools today.
Is that because the operator's a tool?
Bag. You see screws in there?
Well, don't need to take that off.
Nope. Okay, this one.
$20 says you don't need to take this
Oh,
one
shut
off.
up. I'm having fun.
Yeah, me too.
We're discovering things. Oh, yeah. Should start working for B&R now. It's just a disassembler badge.
Yep, no screw there.
Okay, what's behind this one, too? What's behind door number
What's
3?
door number 3? Funny you should ask, Alex.
Rest in peace. And I don't say that very often.
Hey, look, door number 3 is blank
Okay,
as
we
well.
got 3 open windows. Question is, will Kyle figure out how to take this off without breaking it? I am a wee bit nervous.
1/4-inch ratchet with an extension and a 10mm socket.
Snap on. Let's find that one. You need a 10mm? Yeah. Do you realize how rare that is?
That's a 3/8, bud.
And why would you need anything bigger? You're taking a dash apart.
1/4 is smaller than 3/8 last time I checked.
I mean, I am American, but I don't know this that you're referring to. Okay, well, I'll just go fuck myself. I'll just set that down. Does this look smaller? No. I mean, coming from the guy who's not... Look at this organization. Do you see what I'm doing with here? I grabbed that one. That's Ratchet. Ratchet's there. I see you, bitch. Yeah. Is it supposed to be in here? Or these are all bigger.
Yeah, can I get 2 cheeseburgers and a large fry? They're gonna be up here.
This little guy, and then you said the 10 somewhere over in here. Those are
That gray trim with the post.
10.
Yep.
Sure.
Yep.
Last call.
Yep.
Over here, trying to get it in. Come on. Finger fuck it. There we go. And then we need to put it into the off position. 'Cause Kyle doesn't know the difference between those. He knows Ugga Dugga and stripped out.
Hey, ask any racer, any real racer. Don't matter if it's cross-threaded or stripped out, tight as tight.
Yeah, but when your righty-tighty becomes a lefty-loosey, you done fucked up, bud. All right, where are we at, Kyle? In part of the story.
Oh, we're just gonna pull the dash out really quick to do this instrument cluster.
No! So, what's the problem? What seems to be the problem, Kyle?
Oh, we're just working on pulling the dash out still.
Why do we need to pull out the dash?
I gotta get this center bezel out because this little lip right here, this thing's gotta come straight out. And every part of me wants to just yank on it.
Oh, but you see how nice this interior looks?
Yeah,
I don't want to keep it that way.
Yeah, I don't really want to pay for
Can't
it.
say much for the rest of the truck, but you know, at least the inside looks good. You know, they say it's what's on the inside that counts.
Yeah, it can be pretty on the outside, but ugly on the inside.
Absolutely. Ooh. Now, I had Kyle run himself a Carfax on this guy. The last time that it been into shop was 166,000 miles, I believe.
Sounds about right.
So what I could do is I could take my new little cluster over here. I could take this face off. I could roll those numbers back to about 160 something, maybe 180 something. I could stuff it in there and say that my truck's got less miles than it has. And you'd run a Carfax on it, not know the difference. But we're not going to do that. See this one right here? 203,000 345, and I'm not going to mess with it. It's actually going to be slightly higher than it has, okay? And I'm not touching it or opening it or nothing. Now, does it work? Yet to be determined, but not being a dirtbag. Don't be a dirtbag. Okay, well, we ran into a bit of a snag. I'm very happy right now. So, it came out there. I happen to notice that there is a mechanical speedometer. Asked the yard that I bought this from if it was from a 1995, 96, or 97. Because somewhere between 1998 and 1999, they went to electronic speedometer. Well, should have thought of that when it arrived, but it appears that the new one I got doesn't have it. So we're gonna plug it in and see what does work, just for laughs, but no speedometer for sure. Winning. No. Well, sometimes you're the hammer and sometimes you're the nail. None of it works. Nothing. Nothing. Oh well. Guess I'll just go fuck myself. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. Not stacking up the wins, but angle, mint. Try to see if I can get one going for next week, but we know it's Thanksgiving, so we'll see. Catch you later.